Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have James here with us this morning. This is James's 5th adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And James came in here with neck pain and lower back pain and SI joint pain that was going down into his legs and his feet, and numbness and tingling in both legs and feet, mid-back pain, rib cage pain on the left side that was going around, and also knee pain, right?
That's correct.
All right, so let's have you flex your head forward and backwards and show them how we're fixing you up. And then neutral. And relax your hands for just a second. There you go. Thank you, sir. Your head's still just a little forward and a little bit left. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Pelvis is a lot more centered up, though, than it was. Your hands are still a little out in front of you.
Right.
Okay. Well, let's come over here. Give them a Super Bowl ring dinger today. Been to the Super Bowl bench yet?
Yeah, I'm not going to even be here.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm going to be in Oklahoma doing testing.
Yeah, we got people from Oklahoma here for the Super Bowl.
They can trade spots if they want to.
There we go. There's a lot happening here this week.
Yes, there is.
The Patriots will be coming in at 3 o'clock right over here at George Bush Intercontinental. We should see them driving by our office here around 3:15 to 3:30 in several buses. There we go. Oops. I'm going to catch hell about that. Okay. Nope. There we go. Should have felt that one down there a little lower. Good. Good. He's still kicking on both sides. And we don't do that just to see if they're still alive. Of course they are. There you go. Got one more here. I can feel it. There it is. You feel the difference?
Oh, yeah.
I can feel when I get them, when I don't get them. Yep.
Never changes.
That's a woo adjustment, yeah. The wow factor, huh?
Yes.
Okay, let's have you come over here on your tummy.
That was a touchdown and a 2-point conversion. Right
Yeah,
there.
no kidding.
It's about to get safety now.
So who you rooting for in the Super Bowl?
I'm going for the Dirty Birds.
You're not talking about the Patriots, are you?
Oh, no. Mm-mm. Can't go for the team that beat my boys.
You and Joseph. Okay, left leg's coming up short by about a half inch. Get to even. That tightens up a little bit still, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, right there.
Patriots are a conspiracy theory.
Yeah, Patriots can beat people with inflated or deflated balls. Tom Brady doesn't need to deflate balls to win
Or
Super Bowl. Huh?
Or reading teams' calls.
Yeah.
They've only been good since 2001 after 9/11.
Yeah, I think he's the best quarterback to ever play the game. And I hope he gets his, was it 6th or 7th Super Bowl ring?
This will be 5, right?
No.
Or it'll be 6 then. It'll be 6. They'll be tied with the Steelers.
He'll have more than the Steelers if he wins this one. He'll be standalone as the only quarterback.
Yes, he'll be. I'm talking about the team. He'll be higher than Terry Bradshaw.
Right.
But as a team, it'll be 6 for the Patriots.
I don't think no other teams ever won 6 Super Bowls.
Just the Steelers.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
They won 6 Super Bowls?
Yeah. Dallas has won 5. Steelers has won 6.
There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. And yes, I can talk and chew gum and adjust all the same time.
Hey.
But there's no denying Thomas probably the best.
There we go. There we go. Now slide down this way just a little bit for me. There you go. And put your arms out to the sides. Slide down a little bit more. You're gonna have to give me about another inch. we go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back. There we go. Good. Okay, let's stand up here in front of the mirror. Face Joseph first here, this way. There we go. There we go. There we go. Good job. Get your elbows and your wrists. Yep. You being cooperative today.
Oh, yeah.
Your breathing, that helps a lot.
Autonomics are going.
Huh?
Autonomics are going.
Yep. There we go. Okay, let's stand you up here and get your cerebellum functioning properly. Let's flex you forward and backwards. Neutral. Good. Pull these guys up and back. Yep. And we're going to bring the head straight back and looking up. Yep. There we go. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. And then neutral. Yep. Good job. So you've seen other chiropractors before,
Yes, I have.
and you've been here 5 visits now.
That's correct.
What would you tell our YouTube subscribers about your experience here?
Every time people come in, I keep feeling better and better. I'm telling you, this is the best chiropractic place you can ever go to.
Well, thank you for sharing that with
Appreciate
people. We appreciate you.
Yeah, because the last chiropractor, I've been with him for about 6-7 years, and it's nothing like this.
And
wish I
is
would've
this
been
more
here.
comprehensive?
Oh, yeah.
You getting adjusted the whole body,
Yes, the
or
whole
what
body.
makes this a wow factor for you out of
Well,
everything I do?
first off, that thing over there is
Fun,
it's
ring
something
dinger.
else.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it takes your breath away, but you feel all that decompression and just feel a lot
And you're
taller
feeling better now consistently, right?
consistently.
Good. Thank you for sharing
Thank
your
you.
story with us. Appreciate
All right.
it. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, home of Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.